Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Schneider's Golf. I'm here with Mr. Crowley this morning.
What's up, guys?
We are going to show you how a stimp meter works. We're going to show you mowing the green and then the before and after using our True Turf rollers. And we're going to see the difference in stimp meter before and after we mow and roll this green. So let's get started. Here's how a stimp meter works.
Let's do it.
We're out here. We just had our snow melt. You can see we have a ton in the mountains still. But we don't even have leaves on our trees yet. Usually these trees are fully in bloom. All right, Mr. Crowley, give us the rundown on how a stimp meter works for those of us who've never seen one before.
So this is a USGA stimp meter.
Okay, so it's official.
It's official. It's ISO certified. Place the ball in this notch here, and then as I put it on the ground, I'll have my tee mark the same location. Once you raise it up to 20 degrees, the ball will come off and roll, like so. And we'll roll 3 balls in the same direction. So I'm gonna roll 3 right now.
Okay, let's see it. So you're just raising that up to what is 20 degrees, and the ball naturally falls off the stimp meter at 20 degrees. You can see that. And rolls out to a specified point. You can see that's pretty consistent where our roll is happening at. So 3 very consistent rolls. So this is the first stimp. We're gonna set a tee down here in the average.
Let's put Blake on number 1 tee.
So about here.
We're gonna mark about where our average was, and then we're gonna roll it back the other direction with the stimp meter. And then we will take the average of those 2 measurements, and that is in feet. That's how you measure what the stimp is. So we'll come back the other way. It's slightly uphill this other direction. We're just gonna repeat the process. And you can see it's pretty consistent as to where they roll out to. All right, so we're gonna take the average of these 2 points, and that's gonna give us what our stimp was. Grab a handy dandy measuring tape, lay it down, and we're going to take the first measurement in feet.
So I've got 10 feet 4 inches, and our other is about 7 feet 9.
Okay.
So let's break out our calculator for these difficult calculations. So we're 9.1 pre-mow, pre-roll.
All right, let's mow it and see where we get the stimp to. Crowley's gonna go ahead and hop on our mower, and we will do a stimp after we mow. All right, so here's a look at our stimp meter. Like Crowley said, you've got a little detent in here, USGA certified. You've got some markings on the side here. And then this is the specific angle down here on the bottom, machined. We hold it at that angle and then slowly tip it up, and that's where the ball rolls off. All right, Crowley's gonna fire up this mower. We're gonna go ahead and we'll mow these greens, and then we'll stimp it again after he's done. All right, so we just got done with our mow. Let's do another little stimp test here, Mr. Crowley, and see where we're at. So we kept the same points with the tees that we had before, and we marked them all. This was the rollout distance to this tee here. All right, so after a mow, that's almost a full foot more roll. Okay, last one. All right. So I think we got about, what, 9 more inches of roll on average out of that? Yeah. There's about where there's where we were at.
You like that?
Yep. Okay, so the orange tee there is the second point. Okay, let's go in the other direction. All right, so those all kind of hit each other, but you can see it's about proportional uphill as it was downhill because we had moved the point a little further downhill. All right, let's do our second measurement here. So this is what we had on the first. Crowley just mowed the green. We stretched out to this point here. So we went just a little longer. How far do you have, Mr. Crowley?
Got 11 feet 3 inches.
11 feet 3 inches. So 3 divided by 12 is 11.25.
11.25?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
3 divided by 12.
And
yeah, 11.25.
11 inches.
7 feet 11 inches. So 11 divided by 12, 7.91.
So we're 958 now.
And the average is 958. So that's above, what were we? 9.1?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's roll it and do our math one last time and see where we're at, Crowley.
Okay.
All right, it's time for the third stimp. Crowley, we have our tees back in the ground after the roll. Here were the first 2 points you can see here with the tees. These were the uphill points here. And then this is our original starting spot that we've been using all of this morning. All right, a little more roll out. Look at that. Pretty good, dude. Way more consistent roll, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Way more consistent roll, and they rolled truer.
So we're good.
We almost...
We're good 10.5 inches
Yeah.
from the original.
Yep. Okay, so we'll go to here. There's the downhill point. Let's measure the uphill point quick. Uphill point. It's a pretty good roll. All right, take an average there. First point.
We got past 12.
We're gonna max our tape out.
We look like we're 12. We're probably 12 too.
2 inches divided by 12 is 12.16.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the uphill.
Got it?
Yep.
810.
810. 10 inches divided by 12 inches is 8.83.
So we're 10.4, almost 10.5.
With the roller.
We're 1.5 feet.
Mm-hmm. So after the mow and then the subsequent roll, we added an extra 1.5 feet to the stimp meter.
Mm-hmm.
So we're a full 1.5 feet faster. So I hope that was informative. Mr. Crowley, thank you for all you do.
You're welcome.
Thanks for keeping the course in good shape. And that's how a stimp meter works, you guys. Hope you learned something new. Hope you're having a great day. Get out and play some golf, and we will see you next time. Take care.